Hey, English Explorers! It's Amy here from the Easy English Academy, and today we're jumping into something really useful and kind of fun, the 4 kinds of sentences. Every sentence we speak or write fits into one of these types, and once you know how to spot them, English starts to feel way easier. Let's go! First up, we've got the declarative sentence. This kind just gives information or makes a statement. It ends with a full stop, a period. Think of it as calm, clear, and confident. Example, the moon shines at night. Simple, right? Now tell me. She loves reading historical fiction. What kind of sentence is this? Yes, it's a declarative sentence. You're doing great. Next, we have the interrogative sentence. These are the curious ones. They ask questions and end with a question mark. Example, are you coming to the party? See how it's seeking an answer? All right, now tell me. Did you see the rainbow yesterday? What kind of sentence is that? Correct. It's interrogative. Nice job. Now let's talk about the imperative sentence. This one gives a command or a request. Sometimes it's kind, please pass the salt. Other times it's serious, close the door. Okay, your turn. Don't touch that. Now tell me, what kind of sentence is this? Yep, it's an imperative sentence. Nailed it. And now, drum roll please, the most exciting one, the exclamatory sentence. This one is full of emotion. It could be joy, surprise, anger, you name it. It always ends with an exclamation mark. Example, what an amazing performance. So now you tell me, I can't believe you did that. What kind of sentence is this? That's right, exclamatory. So full of feeling. So let's wrap it up. 1. Declarative tells you something. 2. Interrogative asks a question. 3. Imperative gives a command. 4. An exclamatory shouts out emotion. Now that you know them, start noticing them in your conversations, books, or even your texts. You'll be amazed at how often they pop up. This is Amy from the Easy English Academy. And remember, every sentence you say has a purpose. And now you know exactly what that is. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Please subscribe to Easy English Academy and like this video.